Hello YouTube patrons, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Smash the like button. Obviously that helps me to reach out to other people that don't know about me. But this is Riverponics and my name's Matthew. And I'm going to show you my updates and kind of teach you my theory and some of the things I'm integrating with my system. So this is a grow channel, and I've incorporated removable lids, and I did get my demo lids in, which are right here, and they printed them off in black, which I wanted them gray. So they're going to do a final run this week, so I will have my lids available. And so how this works, what I'm doing now is I'm putting 2 net cups in the container for wicking purposes, and you have an open slot there, okay? So these will all be removable at that point. And like I said, these will match in color with my new channels. Now these channels here are my existing ones. I cut the tops off, okay? So here, actually next week they're supposed to do a proof run on my new grow channels as well. So hopefully in a week or two I could do a run on those and have those available as well. So I'll have everything, hopefully in the next 2 weeks, have everything available with my new grow channels, and I'll be up and running. This is a dummy cap. That's where your bulkhead fitting would be for your outlet back to your brewer that forms your closed loop. There again, same deal. All the containers will be like that for now, and you'll have access to your interior of your grow channel. Now what's nice about this and what I want to do is, and it's optional, this is something you don't have to do, but I'm all about trying to mimic nature. And what you can do now is put like biochar down in there, or lava rock, or something that's very porous, right? And you're trying to mimic the river effect, stream. And what that's going to do is capture all your mineral and nutrients and create a good environment for your beneficial bacteria to thrive in. So once your roots get down into your grow channel, that would be a good substrate for them to thrive. And I can kind of give you an example over here. My existing grow channels here, you can see, hopefully, you can see the massive amounts of roots that are down in the channel right now from this tomato plant here, all right? So that would be really cool to kind of trial and error what biochar can do within your grow channel. A lot of people ask, well, how often do you have to clean your channels? And I've been set up in this room for a year, and I have not cleaned my channels yet to date, okay? So just to give you an idea. It's kind of up to you what you want to do as far as cleaning your channels. There again, you do not have to put anything at all. It could just be just like that, and just run your water through there. But what this does, in theory, it's all about restructuring your water, okay? So I've implemented a few techniques which I'll show you today, and I'm going to use this example, and I kind of got this from Cliff High. He did a video on structured water, and he did an excellent job kind of explaining how structured water works and what is the memory code, and he calls this the lattice effect. This is the energetics, which binds your hydrogen and oxygen molecules and restructures them, okay? So this zigzag motion here is what you find in nature, whether it be a vortex or just, the zigzag motion of going down through the earth or running through a stream over rocks over time. Water records everything it touches. So water does have memory, and you can look up Dr. Emoto on YouTube, Water Has Memory, and Johan Grander, which is a patent holder of revitalized water, to kind of get the concept of what restructuring water is all about. Now when you envision a structured molecule, think of it as a snowflake that has a beautiful pattern. Okay, now scientists, what they do is they freeze the molecule and they can see what type of pattern, what type of structure the water has. Okay, so if you run water, you know, tap water is run through a vigorous filtration system. They add chemicals on all that, and under a microscope, it's very chaotic. Okay, so they've done other experiments where they have blessed the water or spoken words to water, doing techniques like I just talked about, and then re-examine that water as a frozen molecule, and the structure literally changes back to a beautiful snowflake. Okay, pretty cool stuff. So there again, this is my filter for my smallest brewer, right? And so what I've incorporated as well is there's a magnet in there. So the water has to be forced through that magnet. Okay, so you're kind of mimicking the Earth's magnetic field in that sense, and that'll restructure the water too. And there's just a screen down there floating around and on top of the magnet, and I have that screen on top of there because you can integrate whether it be biochar or hydrogen pellets and fill this up with that substrate. Okay, then that's going to mimic this effect as well and help structure water rather than it falling just straight down. Okay, water does not like 90-degree turns, and you know, it likes to be in a natural environment. All right, so you can think of it as a electrical wire. You pinch that wire, it's going to cause resistance, and it's harder for that electricity to run through, and it's going to heat up. But it's no different with water. So it wants to flow fluently, right, and naturally. And doing things like this, integrating that, or in the grow channel, introducing biochar into there, I think is going to have a significant effect on your closed loop system, as well as the magnet within your brewer. Now all my brewers, depending on any size you choose, is going to have the magnet integrated in the filter. And the substrate is up to you, what you want to put in the filter. All right, you can experiment with different stuff. But so that pretty much covers what I have coming. I think it's a hell of an improvement. I really like what's going on here. I'm excited, really excited about this. So thanks for tuning in. Give me a call. We can customize, design any type of growing system for you. You can look on my website, kind of view what I do have. But if there's something in particular you're looking for, we can achieve your goals, and we do offer commercial sized grow systems. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day.